And it is written in the 17th chapter. It is written in the 17th chapter, O Dawud, listen to what I say and order Suleiman to make people understand that I will give the earth as inheritance to Muhammad and his ummah, his followers, and they will be different from what you are. Their prayer will not be musical instruments or songs. So recite my holiness more and more, and weep profusely when you raise a song in my sanctification. O Dawud, tell the Israelites not to hoard illegal wealth, otherwise I will not accept their prayers. Tell, O man, if your father disobeys me, get away from him and keep aloof, even from your brother if he indulges in illegal acts. If you have a brother or a sister or a father or a mother who does illegal acts, stay away from them. If he disobeys Allah, God, and his commands, you must stay away from him. This concept of your kin, it does not mean legit your family, blood family members, especially when they do such things. No. Dawud, when you see an oppressor whom the world has given a high status, do not long for his position. Surely and doubtlessly he will get one of those two things. Either I will impose an oppressor on him who will be a greater tyrant than him, and who will take revenge from him, or I will force him to give her the rights of others on the day of judgment. Dawud, if you happen to see on the day of judgment those people who had usurped the rights of others, listen carefully. You will surely find shackles of fire around their necks, so always take account of your deeds. Accountability is very important in Islam. Self-accountability. And behave justly with all, and give up the world and its adornment. Is this a religion of Satan? Is this Vartan, this is the religion of Satan that you claim? This is the religion of Satan that you claim. You disrespecting me publicly when I don't know you. You feeling sexual urges that you cannot control yourselves, claiming Christian women, claiming women have rights in Christianity, when your actions show otherwise. I never consented to anything. I've blocked Vartan. I don't even know you, Sam. I've never even spoken to you. Yet you claiming to ending my career. Your videos are about to be removed and you may be sued by my lawyers. And I would hate for you to do this to anyone else. That is why I am speaking up. It's not only for my rights. It's for other women's rights. God knows what you have done to women. Men who act like this, ladies and gentlemen, they don't like women. Just like my own brother. He hates women. He abuses women. He has stolen even my right for my father and mother's estate, who have left me a portion of that house. He has sold it without my consent for $1.5 million in Canada. Right now, he's being sued, my own brother. You think I like to do these things? But I am going to defend my right, because I defend the rights of other women. I defend the rights of other people who are facing injustices. I've been this way since I was a child. I've put myself in life and death situations to defend the underdog, people who are being abused, and people who see these people in public, these abusers, they believe that they are such loving, caring people, and we are looked upon as we are the problem when you push us to the brink. There is a punishment to these things. If it's not directly from God immediately, eventually it's going to be through the law. Do you understand what that means? Does this sound like a religion of Satan to defend a woman, an orphan, or other people who are an underdog? You mocking a woman. Do you know what you look like yourself?